Hello, people. My name is Eduardo Antonio Rendon. I'm from Restrepo Valle. I'm 26 years old and I am agricultural technologist. I like video games, but my greatest passion is agricultural. Everything related to this, something that I really don't like long queues or noisy public places. I am family. My family, I have my mom, just name Esmeralda Rendon. She's 48 years old. She's housewife. I have three siblings. Dylan, you is 21 and work as a builder. Felipe, you is actually studying industrial electronic engineer. The youngest, you is Antonella. She is a 2 years old princess. Daily also fly Restrepo Valle, and our greatest job is spending time in family.